Hello, my name is Eric with H&H Exteriors. I'm here in Mr. Gustavo Nava's residence here at 4348 South Carlove Avenue in Chicago, Illinois, 60632. An attempt to repair this damaged shingle here. Damaged one here. Gotta scrape these off on top. They're already pretty loose. Look for these. There we go. There's one. There's two. Man, it's not coming out. There we go. Oh, it's corny. That was not clear. Mande. Shingles are not coming off, but as you can see, this roof is creasing. Look at that. Just by lifting one shingle up, it's causing a domino effect, damaging the rest of the roof. Just by doing one simple repair. I will finish this repair after this. I only have a few minutes left with my metal glasses, but as you see, just attempt to repair is damaging the rest of the roof, which is causing a domino effect. Therefore, we're asking for a full roof replacement on the garage. Please take your time to review this video. Thank you.